Sometimes you have to let go of what you know. To initiate available Super Cruise hands-free driver assistance technology, press the Adaptive Cruise Control button if it isn't already activated. If the Super Cruise icon turns white, you're on a Super Cruise capable road. Press the Super Cruise button while centering yourself in the lane. Wait for the steering wheel light bar and icon to turn green. Take your hands off the wheel and enjoy the ride. To use the turn signal activated feature, tap the turn signal to initiate a lane change. Or enable automatic lane change, where Super Cruise will automatically activate the turn signal and change lanes for you in certain situations. When the steering wheel light bar and icon start blinking green, it's telling you to pay more attention to the road. Should the steering wheel light bar and icon start blinking red, along with beeps or seat vibrations, you need to immediately take control of steering. If you don't, a voice prompt will tell you to take over steering. And if you still don't respond, your Optic will gradually come to a stop in its lane, and you'll be contacted by an OnStar advisor. If the steering wheel light bar is blue, that means the Super Cruise system is on, but it's not ready for you to remove your hands from the wheel. To disengage Super Cruise, press the steering wheel button, pull the Regen on-demand paddle, or press the brake pedal with your hands firmly on the wheel. For more details, see your vehicle's owner's manual.